Crispy, juicy chicken, perfectly roasted veggies, and caramelized lemon. All in one pan. Today we're making 1 pan chicken thighs and veggies. Preheat oven to 400 Fahrenheit. Bone and skin on thighs. Remove excess skin. Pat dry. Score with knife. Add olive oil, also chicken. Follow the list on screen. Mix veggies. Add chopped garlic and mix well. Add lemon wedges on top. Place in oven for 35 to 40 minutes. Broil for 3 to 5 minutes on each side, also flip them over. Let's see how it's turned out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.